Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another somewhat grocery hauling video. I'm sharing this ground chicken I'm about to cook today. And also, I don't know what I'm cooking, but this chicken gonna have some cheese on it. Specifically, it gonna have some cheese on it. I got an idea, I know what I'm cooking, but I'm gonna have some cheese on it. And I'm also cooking some of those frozen. I remember I showed y'all in my last grocery haul, I had purchased a few bags of peas and carrots, so I'm gonna do that. So peas and carrots, this chicken, some cheese. It's gonna be a nice little dinner. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. It might be about 7 something in the morning. I was about to share with y'all what's going on over in my pantry area because I was working over there the other day. And I finally got rid of all the old food. And ain't nothing on these shelves in my pantry area but new stuff. But it's all unorganized, just threw up there any old kind of way. Now I'm going to show you one shelf in a minute. But in the process of me doing all that straightening up and decluttering and trashing and cleaning up in the pantry area, I injured my back. Yes, I did. Injured my back because I tried to pick up something and it was extremely heavy. Shoot, this age, my little strength gone. Shoot, I had to have my husband help me lift that heavy old container up, but that took my back out and ended my chore for that yesterday. Anyway, so I'm not gonna be doing too much of nothing now because I gotta let my back mend up because it's sore right in my lower part of my back. Tore my back up. What was I thinking? But the main thing is I got done what I wanted to get done before I hurt myself, and I'm happy that's done. I got a whole lot more to do because I'm about to be getting rid of a bunch of this Christmas stuff. I need to create something online so I can sell this mess. I'm gonna have to look into that because I've thrown a lot of stuff away, but some of this stuff I need to sell it. Somebody needs to buy this stuff. I guess somebody would buy it if I show it, because a lot of it I just don't want that anymore and I need to get rid of it. I got this big, let me see, what in my early videos I got this electric lit, well, it's electric snowman that lights up, and it's pretty big. Not, let me see, it's about, I guess about 25 inches tall, and it plugs up and it's real bright. It's a Santa. I guess the thing belong outside. It's real bright, but it's way back in the beginning of my videos, like the first few videos, that snowman. I have some lights, electric, what are they, baskets? I don't know, just stuff I just need to get rid of it. It's terrible. I got all this stuff and I'm not using it anymore. But let me take out over here to this shelf right quick. Hold on. Okay. Here we are at the pantry shelf. Top, that's not the top, but that's the shelf before you get to the top. They got a whole bunch of other stuff sitting on top. But this shelf, like I said, all the old stuff gone. Everything on this shelf I'm showing you is brand new. and it needs to be organized, taken out the bags, and you know, situated where I can know what's what. And here's a second shelf of new stuff. But look, all kind of stuff just stuffed up in here. It's a task, but the main thing was getting rid of all that old stuff. All this canned goods now, all new. All new. So that's what we're looking at. A bunch of canned goods out of order. Black eyed peas, tomato sauce, stewed tomatoes, corn, carrots, peas, beans, sauce, cornbread, noodles, canned meats, all kind of stuff up on this shelf that's just thrown up there that gotta be organized. So stuff gotta be moved. Cases of beans, cases of all kind of stuff up in these shelves. So I guess that's what y'all gonna be seeing for a few days. Is me coming back and forth, sharing how I am straightening up this shelf. I just looked down there and seen I got my olives. Canned olives are expensive. I'm glad I see some that I had purchased them because I forgot about that. But yeah, it's lots of work gotta be done in here. So that's what I'm talking about today. On top of that, did y'all hear what's going on? What's going on? I guess I might do that on my live. But I don't know. I guess I'll come back on the live and talk about that. But there's a lot going on. Besides me sharing these dang groceries. Still in bags. The cases is what's gonna got me leave this stuff, some of this stuff. The third shelf full of cases too. I'm just showing y'all. Well, I guess that's the fourth shelf because the top is the one shelf. Two, I'm showing y'all shelf 2 and shelf 3. Shelf 4 has all kind of cases of beans and canned goods and stuff. Brand new, gotta be organized. And see all that cardboard box? If you can see it sitting on top where that white thing, that's a Lazy Susan. And on top of it is some cardboard stuffed on top. That's the in-betweens that the canned goods gonna set on so I can stack stuff on top without them falling. I use that cardboard. If you've seen my previous old videos, you know that I had pretty well organized my stuff in this pantry area. But today, it's a hot mess, but I'll get back with y'all. Have a good day. It's gonna be more episodes coming of how I'm trying to straighten this area up. Alright guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscription button, hit that like, thumbs up. Everything free unless you want to donate. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah.